My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware that is called raziO. The raziO stands for ransomware type infection. By the way, the virus comes from the Xorist ransomware family. raziO was elaborated particularly to encrypt all major file types. As soon as the file is encrypted, people are unable to use them. So whenever you try to open some files on your desktop or through some other folder, you get this scary message that says that all your files are encrypted and you cannot open them. Visually, it looks like as if there is some extension called JPG, but in reality, when people select the properties, the message says that the type of the file is raziO. So the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. The ransom is, by the way, 0.02 Bitcoin, which is, however, the tremendous amount of money. But we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom because there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored, so do not pay the ransom. On the other hand, we recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately to stop any further file encryption. We recommend you to go to the C drive program files folder. Start Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case, and we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware through the official resource combocleaner.com. It will help you to detect this raziO ransomware, remove it effectively, and protect your data in the future. After you download and install the program through this official site, combocleaner.com, you might need to implement some tricks to start the program, because you might not find the desktop icon of Combo Cleaner. So go to C drive, program files, select Combo Cleaner folder and start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. So scan your system with its help, and this way you will have your files protected from further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.